Would you? No. Everybody gets their own. By the way, you'll need this for La Computadora today too.
Yay, computadora.
I love tricks.
I'm triggered.
Would you, are you triggered? Okay. In addition to that, we will review what we did yesterday. For those of you not remembering. This you can stick in your notes. Use it because we will talk about how to do the trigonometric functions and stuff in your everyday lives. Not sure how you existed without knowing this before. Make sure before we even begin that you remember these simple truths that we're doing trig here. Okay, you got it. I gave you a little helpful reminder on top there. So katoa, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, toa, opposite over adjacent, and tangent, toa, is what? Opposite over, wait, toa, wait, so ka. Ka, adjacent over hypotenuse, toa. Hopefully you got those memorized. So, how does that work here? You don't need your little table for these two, okay? But this is how these work. You blow it up in humongous fashion for you. Remember, these only work with right triangles, these relationships, these proportions. So, if it's not a right triangle, don't even think you can use it. Problem number one asks you to find the tangent of x. So you find angle x. There it is. Then you think about what the tangent is. Tangent is toa, opposite over adjacent. And you just make a fraction using those two numbers. So here's x, opposite of angle x, appears to be a 16. Adjacent to angle x. How do I know which of these two is the adjacent angle? Jaden, this is the side not the, okay, it can't be the hypotenuse because that's always the hypotenuse. It's the side that's not the hypotenuse that connects it, so it is 16 over 30. All you have to do is reduce that. You don't necessarily need the decimal form of that. Please, please. Sometimes if I count down, there it is, 30. That reduces to what, 8 over 15? If you really wanted to know the degrees of angle x, you would turn this into a decimal, divide 15 into 8. You don't, but I'm just doing this because I know you're excited about it. 8 times what? 5 is 75. You get 50. 3 is 45. You get this repeater 3 thing. So you just look on your handy dandy little piece of paper I gave you. Find tangent, find where 0.5 repeater 3 is close to, and it's not an exacting science. What is it? I don't have it in front of me. How many? Are we in agreement that this is a 22 degree? Is that what you're saying?
28.
Oh, that's a 28 degree angle, or close to it. But they didn't ask you that, they just asked you for the value. So you can stop right here. Just thought I'd. So I'll tell you what, right now, if you would do number 2, the sine of angle C, do that one for me. Let's see if you got somewhat of some sort of grasp. If you know this, you can talk with the big hitters in the mathematical world. Not many people know what sine, cosine, and tangent are all about. Although you can cosine alone. Ms. Lopez, did you get my emails? I thought it was funny. I thought I was just kidding with them. I don't know how much cheaper was the second one. Substantially?
Say what?
How much cheaper was the second one?
Did I run the right one?
Well, did you?
3,348.
I don't know. Was that the first one I get sent to, or was that the one that I forwarded to you, or was that the?
Because he sent them both to me too, I think.
Oh, I didn't see your name on the second one, maybe it was a blind.
I thought this was the,
I copied the first one. I just thought, I was just kidding, I didn't know that they were.
well, I liked your keys. I mean, I didn't think this was. Okay, that's-
That was the first
All the stuff right now.
Well, here's my thought. I mean, I can go.
Yes.
I literally went like
Tell him if he wants to.
We want all for two separate purchases, and then I'll just schedule with you, 'cause you probably know the things.
Yep, that's okay.
Yeah, that's pretty. And then
Well, I
tell
mean, if
him,
we need to close the gym tonight.
give him a time frame, otherwise we're going somewhere else.
Otherwise, the other thing, I know the other thing, on that December, we can't have the gym on that Friday,
We can?
December 8th, no, but December 7th, yes.
Okay, 7 is.
Close Thursday, Friday,
No.
you can give up Thursday, but not Friday, because Friday when I set up the lights.
Okay, good deal. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, then, again, your first thing is you look at what the relationship of sine is. So, SOH, opposite over hypotenuse, that's the fraction you're looking for. It's angle C, so you look at angle C. Opposite is 15. Hypotenuse, there's only one of them, is 39. It doesn't, oh, it does reduce. 3 goes into both of them. 5, 13. We won't worry about the angle because that's what we're doing next. What?
That's what I mean.
Hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. It's always the longest one too. Did I get that wrong?
Yeah.
Did you get it wrong?
Yeah.
I didn't get it wrong.
No.
I get stuff. I got a lot wrong yesterday. I got enough wrong yesterday to match up for whatever there. Alright, so here we go. They don't give you anything here, and they ask you to find the measure of this angle. Alright? So you just have to think, this is the angle you want, so I don't care, call it angle A or whatever it is. You have to look, with respect to this angle, what are these two things? Well, this is the hypotenuse over here, and this is the side opposite. So you need to find the trigonomic function that uses both opposite and hypotenuse. Which one of those functions is it? Yeah, sine. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So then you have to plug those numbers in. The opposite side was 49, the hypotenuse was 53. Oh boy. Now unfortunately, because I'm not letting you use calculators just yet, you're actually going to have to find its decimal equivalent, 53 into 49. But you are capable of this math, I know you are. 53 goes into 49 what? 9 times? Which is 27, 2, 45, 47. What's that, 10, 3, 1, 3, 0, which is 2, 1, 0, 6, which is 24, 240. Really, you could almost stop at that because you just look at how many times will that go to that, not 5 times. So rounded, it has to be 0.92. You look on your little table, and the sign of 0.92 is what?
67.
67 degrees. And go ahead, give me a shot at number 4 there. See if you can jump into the wonderful world of trigonometry. Wonderful world of trigonometry. You would have thought they could have come up with a different one rather than sine again, wouldn't you? killing me. See if everybody gets the right answer. I do have it. It is my hope that you came up with a sine opposite over a hypotenuse, 34/46, reduces to 17/23. Did the division, came up with 0.74. Think of that right. Which is, Elijah?
48 degrees.
Yep. 48. Yay. This is good